Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new, and welcome to my weekend planning routine. So one of the things that I really like to do that is unrelated to planning is I like to get up and put on clothes from my capsule wardrobe. So as long as I'm wearing clothes out of my capsule wardrobe, then that's a-okay with me. If I have to go into a drawer, that means I'm going and searching for pajamas or t-shirts or shorts or pajama pants or just something, muumuus, anything other than what I actually want to put on. So I'm trying to leave that old habit back in 2023, because even though my aim wasn't to do that still in 2023, I still did it. So I'm trying to turn over a new leaf. And at the filming of this video, I have gotten up and put on decent clothes from my capsule wardrobe every single day. So that's amazing. I also found this, I guess you might call it a fall or winter uniform. So I'm really into wearing mock necks or mock turtlenecks and sweatpants, because the way in which I have learned to style them, which shout out to Pinterest and the fashion gurus, because I'm not a fashionista at all, but the manner in which I have learned to style them really makes for a decent outfit. So I do wear the clothes or the sweatpants high-waisted. That kind of elevates the look. And then I just like to put on some accessories and stuff like that. And I feel like that really makes me look halfway decent. But I am starting out with actually filling out my 5-minute journal. Yes, when I first put in my entry for 2023, my first entry, I did write 2023, but I meant 2024. So as you can see, I don't really use this a whole ton. There is a big gap between the first entry and the second entry, which you're looking at both of them, because I already concluded that since this was something that I won or something that was gifted to me, I wouldn't go forth and try to force myself to write in it daily. I think that's what folks want you to do. I think that's what the company wants you to do, but that's not going to be for me, because I quite literally don't reach for during the week when I'm going to work and stuff, I'm not thinking about this journal. I just really like taking some time to be mindful and to practice gratitude, especially on those slow mornings like Saturdays, Sundays, and other days that I have off. I'm now going into my Hemlock and Oak planner, which actually is a work planner. But as we all know, occasionally I will actually write some personal to-dos in my work planner, specifically if I'm at work and I'm thinking about some to-dos or tasks that are randomly popping in my head that are personal that I want to do when I get off work. Then I will go ahead and write those to-dos in that planner. So what you just saw me doing was kind of reviewing the planner to see if I actually completed all of those to-dos that I had written in there. So that's kind of how that works. Otherwise, I don't actually write a lot of I don't actually use that paper planner or that physical planner for my personal to-dos, tasks, events, or my personal planning. I'm now going ahead and uploading Saturday's video, or the video for the weekend. It dawned on me that I hadn't actually published the video, so I'm doing that now, and I thought I would show you the process. And thankfully, after looking at my planner, that's what prompted me to be like, oh shoot, we got to get this video published. I already had it uploaded. I just needed to publish it. So shout out to my planner for keeping me organized, and shout out to Digital Court, because I like everything that pops up on my screen. So FYI, if I'm liking your posts like a crazy person because I follow you on Instagram or whatever, it's because I always go ahead and show some love to other content creators. So we had a lunch break. We were trying HelloFresh that week, and now I went ahead and had some chocolate and some wine as a little dessert, if you will. And now I'm going to go ahead and write in my digital planner. So this is my personal planner. It's a planner that I made, and I do use it in GoodNotes, and I do create my own templates and my own pages and stuff like that. I do have an actual 2024 planner, but I have made other templates to add to it. So I'm just checking out my planner, trying to see what I need to do with my life on this particular day. And I actually don't think there was much that I needed to do with my life on this particular day. But to have a planner and to not check in with it is, I feel like, a recipe for disaster. So I do I force myself to check in with my planner at least every day, every couple of days, because I want to make sure I am getting done the things that I want to get done. Some things are time sensitive and I gotta get them done. Other things maybe not so much, but they still may be important and something that I need to be doing. So that's what I'm doing here, is just checking in to see what all I have done and what all I still have left to do. And this is for the week. So basically what that means is whatever's left on the planner for the weekend is what I need to get done over the weekend. So anyway, this is my morning planning routine for 2024. I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a like, subscribe if you're new and if you're liking what you're seeing, and I will catch you guys right back here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye guys.